So we'll have to build like a wall, like a foot tall.
So we gotta take all those out.
I don't know if you can get them out.
All right, let's pull them all out.
Lost the golden key. All right, so we're on site here on a project that we started in 2024. We basically wrapped this up last year, but it's a real formal front entryway. We got some planter boxes here, some formal garden walls and pillars. This is a heated front entryway too, by the way. And then I'll take you guys back here. Still a lot of work to be done out here. It's still an active job site. There's a ton of things going on, but a lot of the hardscape stuff is taken care of. We got this octagon area we did down here with turf inlays, all unilock material everywhere. We got these planter boxes that are the same angle as the octagon area. Multiple different layers on this project. So when we started out here, it was a blank canvas. Really nothing but dirt everywhere. So we did everything from the pool, the walls, the pavers, the steps, everything out here. Just getting the pool. We opened up the pool today, so just getting this pool filled up with water. It was down a little bit. This is a 20 by 40 ICF pool with a 9-foot deep end. So really deep end. We did a cool corner step right here on both sides with a bench built in. We got a bench down here on this end. So these steps are 12 foot wide. That opens up into this area. This is gonna be a putting green over here. So that's coming later on this year. We haven't quite decided what's gonna happen over there. We got a few ideas, but haven't really nailed that down yet. And then we got the staircase going down this way too. So massive staircase, lots of walls, a lot of steps. We got under cap lights everywhere. This still has to be filled up. Like I said, still a lot of work to be done, but the major stuff is done so far. We got an auto cover on the pool, diving board. This is a nice little fire pit area. So this is a gas fire pit. This is really nice view pointing that way. We did these inlays around everywhere. So we got this unilock town hall inlay, and then it actually goes all the way through the pool, and then it goes to the other side of the house where we started in the video. More turf inlay up here. Got accordion style doors on the pool house. Those open up, that's really cool. Serving bar right here. The customer is gonna put in all this plant material. So he sourced a lot of the plants that are here, and he's gonna take care of all this stuff. So that's what this is. Assuming it'll be just about the same. So I don't think it'll be a lot different.
Yeah, the other one was a sky dance, I think.
Mm-hmm. So this one, I think what's different about this is I believe it has the track. You can add things to it.
Right.
And then also, it doesn't have the lights in the louvers. The lights are around the perimeter and then rain guard.
Gotcha.
Gutter guard.
Yep. Yeah, I think these are the cross beams. So you just want those installed before you put up the posts, because then these are next.
Okay, I got this if you just want to look at the directions and figure out what the next step is.
Yeah, so we need to make sure that plate that we thought was on like the cross beams. We need to make sure that is that. And then bring those over here. Brandon, which way are we gonna have the louvers opening? I think we figured
it has to be that way.
this way. Okay.
It just has to be, the plug has to come down right there probably.
Okay. Yeah, that's right.
Or, I don't know if we have power in here.
I don't know what this is.
That's some type of a switch.
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna be different though, because when we set these up, these things are gonna have to be like that high.
Yeah.
So what's that measurement?
9 3/4, roughly.
Yeah, okay. So we'll have to build like a wall, like a foot tall or something.
Yeah.
Well, 9 inches, but then be able to set we'll cut the caps in around this
it.
after we attach that.
Yep.
But then we'll still have to get that cord out. So it's either put the cord here, or when this post is back here, it'll be up higher,
Yep.
but we won't have to cover it up because the wall, the front of the kitchen area will be here, so you'll be able to see the inside is what I'm saying. You feel me?
To access it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is going to be on the inside. This will be the face of the kitchen area.
Okay.
When this is in here, we're going to build this up 9 inches, set it on there, fasten it in. We don't have to cut anything around this at all. It's just going to be
Right.
exposed from the inside.
Gotcha.
So then you can open the cabinet under the grill and access it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I don't know if it'd be better to have that or to have it over there. Your vote says go on this side?
Yeah.
And I said go on that side?
I think it'll look nicer tucked away. That'll be open for the
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it on this side.
okay. This is gutter. Got our light strip spot on the bottom.
This is that control box for the lights. All right, B, let me plug this thing in.
Should be flipping burgers right here, I think. 20?
He got 4 grills going in here.
Yeah.
Dude, I think there's 3 on this wall and there's a smoker over here. That's weird.
end louver.
And?
Okay.
Okay.
That plastic piece.
Okay.
And that's the first one you start with.
With the plastic piece?
So we gotta take all those off.
I don't know if you can get them out. You just pop the first one out?
Maybe. Let me look. No, probably not, because we got to go at an angle. So you're sure they're calling that the end?
That's what they called this one with the plastic piece on it. right? And louver, it's got that plastic.
Mm-hmm.
This one here doesn't have it standard.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's saying, showing that black piece on there.
The first one.
And then it says, place a clip after each installment of louver.
Immediately after each installment. All right, let's pull them all out. You're done, bud. Hey,
I thought
hang on. Lost the golden key.
Oh, me? I'm done.
I don't have anyone to give the golden key to. All right, just push it up. Yep. Well, at least we didn't get them all up.
Yeah.
Shit.
what was that, you know?
Yeah, one of these clips. All right, boom. Got that. Dude, if you're a true hunter, you'd see it. I see it. I see it right now.
Yeah, I see it too.
Marcus sees it too. Don't make me point it out to you. Oh, dude, you moved it.
No.
I don't see it now. All right, Logan, where's it at?
True hunter, show me.
I think it's by the drain, probably.
Show me, true hunter.
He said that
Last
he saw
time I
it.
saw it, before you kicked it.
Yeah, I'll let you grab it then.
All right. Hopefully we got an extra. True outdoorsman could find that.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on a second. How is that thing gonna move? So on the other one, we had that bar that went on there. Remember there was a
Right.
bolt for every one?
Yeah.
There's not for this one. Oh, there is. It's right here. So how does this thing attach and where does it go?
Wes was already supposed to be in there.
Probably. Yeah, I bet it was.
Yeah.
What's the direction say?
We're right here. Put
Yeah.
3 in. Then you guys adjusted the motor. Then you click these in. That channel. So after you adjusted the motor, you click this in.
On the video, it doesn't show that piece.
Well, there has to be something attached to all of them, so that way when the motor moves, it's going to push it one way or the other.
Mm-hmm.
So when on the other one, it had like holes on every single louver that we hooked onto, remember?
Right. Oh. Oh, look at, I don't know if there's one down there. There's yeah, there's a, here, I'll show you. On the end of the louver.
Right there?
Yep.
That's where it
Saw
attaches to?
Yeah, it must.
Okay, is that what it shows?
I'm checking it right now. Yeah, we can.
Continue
It shows.
on?
Yeah, it shows. Putting them all on.
Yep. Man, those go on easy, don't they?
Yeah. So we may have to take out.
3 or 4 of them, slide them forward. Remember that video you seen?
Yeah. You want me to see if that's enough or
Yep.
just do one more?
Yeah, see if that's enough.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yeah, silicone too, guys.
All right. Yeah, I know. Go ahead.
I'm clipped in.
Yep. Yeah, get the other ones. This side.
Yup. And yep.
Simple as that, bud.
Sir.
Looks like there's a cap. Is that already in? The top? Piece of channel?
No, so I think that's that piece. And that would go on that side. Because that's got to run the motor. Or attached to the motor.
Showing them the same side. Up above the louver.
We might be able to take that top, just the top piece off.
I think Marcus is the best outdoorsman, though. He's the only one
Yeah,
that's
he
spotted
did
the
find
clip.
that other clip.
Everyone said they saw it. So I said get it, and then no one could find it. So that's perfect. That'll be right up next to it, actually. Are those your last two?
Yep.
All right, let me see that grinder after you're done.
Okay.
I was really hoping that just all four of us could pick it up. That's what I was thinking. All right, you guys ready to try it?
Let's do it.